What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So guys, first of all, I missed you all, missed doing the stream, and congratulations to all the chill traders in the VIP. In the previous days, we had some trades. The market is very choppy, going sideways. There is very little movement. But right now, S&P 500 is hovering on a critical support. That is why I need to go online to update you with what is going on with the overall crypto market. And of course, let me show you some of the trade updates I've shared on Twitter, in the VIP, in Telegram, and in all my social media platform. All right. Oh, that's me. Oh, that's the VIP. All right. Let's use the screen. Welcome, guys, to the live stream. We have new destination. We have Philip and Andres Jaworski. Welcome to the live stream, guys. And I hope you're all doing great today. And I hope you had a great weekend, very profitable weekend, guys. So here are some of the trades that I have shared in the VIP, by the way. So here, September 25, 2 days ago, we had RSR. The same chart was shared on Twitter. So this was the same chart here. I've shared this on Twitter at the same time that I've shared this in the VIP Discord. But I will not be able to share, of course, trade setup on Twitter. Always not a financial advice. Chart are for educational purposes only. So here's one of the trade setup, guys. RSR September 25, that was yesterday. Short position was perfect entry here. Here's the trade results and updates. 50%. Congratulations to those who have entered the trade. We have Batvanko, we have Find Out 187, we have Damian, we have Jeff, we have Adawi 101%, Find Out 187, so 130% here. Another one from M. Jafal, $288, 153%. We have also from Chill Trader, that's me, 205, 239%. We have also Mingzu. I think he's the one who asked for this chart. So thanks for asking or requesting RSR. This was one of the chart requests. And also we have today Luna Classic. Same entry, 1.8%. This was actually the previous short entry point here. Very good short entry point. Did not hit the stop loss here. And right now, today, September 26, I have shared the same chart and I've said same entry for Luna Classic. So here's the results, guys. We have Damian 122%, Chill Trader 131%. Take profit here, adjust stop loss to entry, let it fly. All right, follow the setup. That we're still asking if this is still valid today. If we still have time, I'm gonna check this charts and update of these charts. So here's one, guys. Here's one. For RSR, this was the same chart that I've shared on Twitter. If you're following me on Twitter, I'm giving out some of our trade setups there. Here's the chart when the price was just about to hit the short entry point here. So risk is 3%, reward is around 12%. And this actually hit our target here. 3% risk versus the reward. So look at that chart, guys. So perfect. The entry was so perfect. Our target was hit 12%. Again, congratulations to those who have entered the trade. We need to have some party music. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations to those who have entered the trade on Twitter and in the VIP. So today I have a very important chart to share with you. So watch out and stay for the rest of the video. And by the way, let me give you a quick disclaimer before we proceed with the charts and with the trade setups. All right. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, so let's proceed, guys. Let's check first our crypto bubble here. Luna Classic negative 3.3%. Atom also is showing red candle or red bubble here. And by the way, guys, there are S&P 500 traditional stocks is on a critical level right now, and if you have watched my previous video about the possible bottom price for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin, we are right now approaching that level. And if you know about October in the past has been a very bad month, not only for the economy but also for crypto. So I don't know if I can find that document right now, but let's proceed with the charts and with the trade updates, guys. So we have here KCS, also one of the trade setups here that I've shared last Saturday or Friday in the VIP. KCS, or this is KUCOIN, KNC rather. We have also cheese here popping up. Fear and greed index is still in the extreme fear level. Last week we are on the 21 level. Yesterday we are on 24. We are seeing a bounce here, small bounce from the support. Later you will understand what support I'm talking about. So, and as what I've discussed, DXY have reached the resistance. That is why we have seen a bounce not only for Bitcoin but for the some of the altcoins. If you have watched the previous stream, I mentioned that if DXY reaches the resistance trend line, we might see a possible pump for Bitcoin and some of the altcoin. And we have seen a pump from Bitcoin. I have taken a trade from 18,500-ish level and taken profit this morning. 15 or that was 200-400% today. I'm on VIP group. We have also Blessed watching the stream. We have Shams Ula. We have Wondering 134. We have Khan. Boring Sunday without you. We need to enjoy, guys. We need to enjoy. We need to take profit and enjoy. And right now I'm spending some of it. I've shared where I'm spending it. I'm enjoying one of my app where you can actually spend crypto. We have also Luis Escobar. Welcome to the stream. Suresh Babu. Hi, Chill. Can you please update on link? Let's check link if we still have time today. Blessed. All right. So Bitcoin. Let's check the long and short ratio here. In the past 5 minutes, we have divided. We have in Kraken 92% are in long position. We have also in Deribit. Let's check actually the 15 minutes time frame. Mostly are in long right now. We are seeing a bounce for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin. Ethereum is hovering on the above the support and in between the previous support turned into a resistance. Later I'm going to show you the chart. BITGET mostly 61% are in long position, guys. So let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. Past 4 hours, 60% short has been liquidated in overall. In FTX, we have 51% long, 99% long in BitFinex has been liquidated. I don't know if this is manipulated. That is just my own opinion, but 99.87% long has been liquidated. Don't know what happened here. Let's check. The past 24 hours, 59.65. It's very small volume. Small volume yesterday. 58 million is very small volume, and this market can be easily moved when this kind of volume around $50 million to $100 is a very thin volume that could be easily moved by the whales. We have also Ray France Apilas. Welcome to the stream, brother. All right, so let's check. Here's one of the trade that I've shared on Twitter. Today I've shared also one important chart here. S&P 500, guys, is hovering right now on a very critical support. So this was already forecasted even before, when the price was hovering at around 4321. Perfect short entry here in confluence with the 200 moving average. So if you have been watching the show, this has been already forecasted long time, and we are just trading some of the range in between, but this was forecasted when the price was just approaching this level here, right? So here's the chart. Oh my goodness, if this breaks down below, guys, let's check the weekly time frame. Oh, we have the 200 moving average here in the weekly time frame, so this could serve as a support. We have a support, very nice. So this was actually a very good support here, but previously, once this support breaks down, we might see a, oh my goodness. So get ready, guys. This will be the next levels that we need to watch out. So we have some supports here just in case we break down below. So here are the two supports. And also this 200-day moving average in the weekly time frame will act as a support. So let's check in the daily time frame. This level here, this will be the level. So let me mark this, or let me change the color of this to green. Right? So this will be our support, guys. Where is that? I'm actually confused right now. All right, so this one here, let me make it a little bit lighter. All right, this green we can use. So just in case, watch out, because we could get a bounce from here. This was the previous support, guys. Previous support here for S&P 500. So if we can get a bounce, if this support will continue to hold, we might see a pump on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoin. Right now, this is on the bottom area. This is on the critical support level. So if we can get a bounce here, this could be a very good long position entry point. But if this breaks down, the next support, this is the 200. Let me label this one here. Let me label this one. 200 MA. 200 MA support. So in the daily time frame, just in case if this breaks down below, we have a 200 moving average support here, 3585, and if this doesn't hold, this will be the next levels that we need to watch out. So let me mark this area. And let's check what will be the price target just in case this drops below the 200 moving average. Let's check the price target for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. We have Ethereum, Polkadot. I've been watching Polkadot, so watch out for this level, guys. I've already shared this chart in the VIP and in my on my Twitter account, so feel free to check it out. This was a previous short entry point for S&P 500. Look at that short entry point. Perfect short entry point, guys. This was the previous support turned into a resistance, stop loss just a little bit above. Perfect short entry point. Congratulations if you're trading S&P 500 E-mini futures. So that's for S&P 500. And if you have been watching the stream, you know that Bitcoin is following S&P 500. In the past months, Bitcoin has been following price action of S&P 500. That is why I am watching this chart very, very closely. All right, so that's for S&P 500. Let's move on to Bitcoin. And if you have some chart requests, feel free to leave it in the comment section or chat section. I ordered dinner yesterday from Referral USDT coupon from delivery. Thanks, Jill. On a trade, one good time. I've actually spent almost 2,000 dirham in the past 2 days just scrolling in Referral, guys. spending on some things I really don't need. Hey Chill, was busy last month. I'm back. Oh, we have opportunity. Welcome to the stream, brother. So next chart, let's check Bitcoin. What will be the next target for Bitcoin if S&P 500 drop below the support? So in the daily time frame, guys, stochastic RSI is already in the oversold, trying to bounce here, but we could also get similar price action to this one. So this right now looks like on this level, mid level here. And if we're going to check here, our MACD still below zero and still looking very bearish here. There's not enough momentum to move this trade up, but that's what I've said. If this support here for S&P 500 manages to bounce back up, the next target of this will be 3787 up to this previous support here, 3911. So 911, 3911, that's the we have also Sweet Man watching the stream. So going back to Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is still hovering in between, and looks like it's forming this one here. This is similar to 2018 here, 2018 chart. Let me try to, if we can check it here right now. Let me try to find it. This is Binance. We need other chart. Let's check if there's 2018, 2017, 2018 here. So similar price action in the last 2018, guys. If you're looking at the chart right now, this was October, November, September, all right. So this is the price action last September. Look at this chart. This is looking similar to what we're seeing right now here. This is the daily time frame, and we have this chart here. And Bitcoin is trading, looks like a symmetrical triangle here. And if this breaks down below, this will be the first target using our symmetrical triangle around $17,300, a little bit below our support, but this will be the next target, guys. Major support. This was the previous last candle wick here as well. And looking at, if you're going to zoom out, we still haven't hit our wave 5 here, and possible wave 5 target, possible bottom price for Bitcoin, and also target date will be around November to December. So let's check if that is going to happen. If my time will allow, I don't know if we have a lot of time today, but I want to show you one metric that shows October to be the worst month in history for stocks and crypto. And in 2008, the previous recession, that also happened at around October. So we are right now in we're seeing DXY, or the dollar inflation, just shooting up. Let me pull up the chart very quickly here. So this is for Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is still hovering on a sideways channel here, hovering in between support and resistance trend line. Looks like forming a symmetrical triangle. Watch out for these levels here, similar levels. We have the previous price action here. So possible pump again from this area up to the orange line, 19,600 area. Possible short entry point as well. My next target long term will be, long term to medium term, will be around 17,000 up to 17,000, $18,000 for Bitcoin. And we still have this wave 5 target here. And this is going to happen soon in the last quarter of this year. So if you have been watching the stream, feel free to check out my previous video about possible bottom price, possible bottom date for Bitcoin, guys. So as of the moment, Bitcoin is still very choppy, moving on a sideways channel here, in between 18,700, 18,500 up to 19,300 here. Maximum $19,600. If we break above this, then we turn bullish. And watch out also for S&P 500. If this bounce back up, next target will be the previous support here, 3787 up to 3,900. So for Bitcoin, this is the level that you need to watch out. Orange line, 19,600 area. All right. So price action, still the same chart. I have already shared it in our VIP group. XRP chart from Can. I'm new to trading leverage. I don't understand my risk management, but I don't understand chart still in a, all right. So let's check Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, similar. Field chart, please. We have XRP. Let's move on. So Ethereum, as discussed in the previous stream, even before this hits the target of 1250, 1235 area, I have been already discussing it here in the previous live that we could get a bounce from this area. And if this support will hold, maximum, this could bounce up to this area here. Previous resistance until 1,559, 1,560 area. This was the previous resistance, but if this will get rejected, the first resistance that you need to watch out will be this area here, 1428. This will be the previous support turned into a resistance maximum, 1,600 area. This, we have also a resistance trend line here. So possible price action. Bounce from here. Then final drop to this 1,000 level, which was a previous support. This will be the first target, guys. And then eventually, possible wave 5 at around 700, 800 area. This is my level that we need to keep an eye on. All right, so that's for Ethereum. Still very choppy, moving on a sideways channel, similar to Bitcoin. Looks like forming a symmetrical triangle here. If you're going to check out the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, this is forming a symmetrical triangle. So this will be the ranges here, and also this 200-day moving average is acting as a resistance. So what you can see here, Ethereum having a hard time breaking this 200-day moving average in the 1 hour time frame. We have here symmetrical triangle. All right, so that will be the level. Still very choppy, moving on a sideways channel. If you're good in doing swing trade, you can actually trade support and resistances here several times. So if you want to trade ranges, we have range here, this and this. So let's check how many percent. 5%. It's very good. 100x leverage. 5% is already 500%. So that's for Ethereum, guys. So let's move on with the next chart. Let me update you very quickly with BINGX. Still same entry point. We have my short entry point here, and also safer entry point at around 167, 170 area. Stop loss remains at 175. So that's for BINGX. Let's move on to the next. Polkadot, very good long entry point here. This was the previous chart. I've shared this on Twitter, shared this chart as well in the VIP. So how many percent was that? Let's check. Almost 9%. Very good long entry point here. Very big red, green candle. Beautiful bounce. We have a stop loss here. So how many percent? This is 5 versus why is this hovering? So first target, and this will be the first target here, 5 versus 10% risk to reward ratio, guys. So let me add another resistance here. This will serve as a strong resistance, and as what you can see, this serves as previous support, guys. Now this level will serve as a very strong resistance for Polkadot. But if this price breaks above, it's going to be explosive. This was a previous short entry point as well. So congratulations to those who are following me on this channel, and to those who have entered the trade. We still have 95% win rate in the VIP. So if you're just following my trade setups there in Discord, 95% win rate. So here, next, this is still looking very choppy, still on a sideways channel. We have also range here from this area here, 6.6 and $6 area will be the range for Polkadot. Same resistance, same support. Let me share this chart. Let me just share the update to the VIP very quickly. Polkadot. Chart update. All right, so next we have Filecoin. Let's check Filecoin. We have Funny Money. Welcome to the live stream. Happy Monday. Let's check Filecoin for operative. I think Filecoin, we had also a very good trade here. Let's check the chart. Filecoin. Let's go back actually. We have filed one of the trader here 22 hours ago having short entry point here. Let's just check this very quickly at around 5.8. All right, so let's compare this to our chart. All right, so this is acting as a resistance here. For me, this is a zone, guys. This is a zone. This will be a better entry. 5.9. But the risk is very high, because as what you can see, if you're going to check the left side of the chart, we have candle wicks up to this level here. So a safer stop loss will be around 6.46. So let's check the risk to reward ratio. No, not good. But our long entry point was very good. This was shared previously, guys, in the VIP, and I don't know if I've shared this on Twitter. Let's check. Filecoin, very good long entry point. How many percent? How many percent? Actually, my target for this long entry will be around 6.6, but let me check how many percent was this. Wow, around 15%. Congratulations again. to the VIPs who are watching the chart. I know some of the members in the VIP is watching the charts very closely, more than I do. Let me share this update. File, chart, update, very good long entry point. Let's check actually if I've shared this on Twitter. August 10, 2022. Wasn't able to share it. But here on VIP, guys, let me show you the previous chart. We have several charts here in the VIP. We have the trade TA and trade setup. We have the top 15 coin. We have also futures trade setup, futures trade, high risk trade. We have shared signals here. So this is a community of trader that help each other win. So file for Philcoin, you see here the price or the chart was just hovering a little bit above. Let's check the previous. This one is approaching the buy zone and safer long entry point. So this was already a very good entry point here at around 5.25. 5.1, the price is just approaching our buy zone and support. So if you have been watching the chart, guys, 5 area was a very good entry point. Right, so that's for Filecoin. Resistance remains at 5.9. 5.9 will be the first resistance, but I don't suggest, in my own opinion, not a very good short entry point here, because looking at the left side of the chart, we can get a candle wick up to 8%. So not very good risk to reward ratio. I'm not going to enter a trade right now. If you want to risk a little bit, you can actually set a short position here and just minimize your risk around, let's check how many percent. 2 to 3%, 2 to 3% possible short. Risk to reward ratio here. Uh, 4% we have this candle here. So this will be my R&R for Filecoin as of now. But for me, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm not gonna enter this trade right now. But if you want, if you're excited, you can't wait, this will be the trade setup for you. All right, so let's move on with a link. We have here Suresh Babu. Let's check link, guys. Also, let me share this update. Filecoin, as discussed in the stream. Right, so that's for Filecoin. Let's move on to link. How many minutes? 38 minutes. All right, let's make this quick so we can finish more chart. Chainlink. This was her short entry point here 22 hours ago. One of the accounts in TradingView. So let's check link, guys. Neutral, in buy zone right now. According to TradingView, link is on the buy zone right now. Wouldn't buy on this level. But here, for link, we have the daily time frame. Stochastic RSI still looking bullish. We have the 200-day moving average, still very far here. We have formation, sideways channel. This was the previous resistance here. Right, so for link, this was the weekly resistance, possible short and long upon breakout confirmation. So same trade setup, guys, same trade setup here. Let me just move this. All right, so price action for link remains the same. Possible short here, risk. Short position. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. The risk is very high, but if you can manage to get a position at around this area here, just manage your risk, because for me, I always set my risk depending on the coin and depending on my target. So here, possible entry point will be around $7.98 and stop loss just a little bit above 8.35. So stop loss here. All right, so this is for link, guys. And if you can see, you check price action before you enter a trade, we might see a very big green candle here. So what you need to do is to wait for the price action. And if this breaks above, break out, then wait for the retest of support. Then we enter long position here. So this will be the possible price action for Chainlink. All right. So let me share this chart to the VIP. Possible short entry point around this area. Let me color this blue, and stop loss, let me color it red. All right, so let me share this very quickly. Link short entry point. Check price action. All right, so we have also, please guys, any amount. Oh, we have Erickson Duarte. We have also Gaurav Kumar for scalping. OP, let's check last chart, OP, before we end the stream. And by the way, guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, support the channel for the YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's proceed with OP. S&P 500 still holding, trying to poke that support here, but I think this is going to bounce at around 200 moving average. But if this breaks down below, then we're going to see a nasty red candle, not only for Bitcoin but for the rest of the altcoin. I'm going to repeat one more time, the same thing when I have kept on repeating to short Ethereum merge. I'm going to repeat right now. If this support is going to break down, the next target will be the 200 moving average here. And if this breaks down below, we might see a very big red candle for Bitcoin and for the rest of the altcoins. So watch out for S&P 500 in the coming days and weeks. All right, so OP. Where is OP? I don't have OP here. Surprising. I don't have the OP chart. I'll go 1 hour chart for OP, and this is on a sell level right now as per trading view. But let's check the chart. This was the previous long entry point here. Very good long entry point. Target was hit. Exactly. Exactly, guys. This was the previous, if you can see, let me show you the replay here. Let me show you the replay. This was the previous long entry point, guys. The risk is 8%, but the reward was 40% from our long position. So again, if you have been watching the channel, we have some pretty accurate trade setup here. And if your basis for watching a YouTube channel is because of the number of subscribers, then you are in the wrong place, brother. If you're watching YouTube with 1 million subscribers, you remember that 90% of the trader lose money. So if you're watching, if you're part of the group of those million subscribers, you are one of the 90%. Check out the trade setups, the result of the trade, and do your own analysis that works for you. Then that's the time you need to learn before you earn. That is my piece of advice. So I'm not watching other channel, guys, because every time I watch like other YouTube or any other technical analysis on Twitter, it affects my analysis, and it affects my analysis. So that's the point. I'm not watching any other YouTube channel or any other technical analysis on Twitter. So what you can see here, I'm only following 17 people on my Twitter account. And mostly I follow like the updates, the news, the current events, Bloomberg, crypto, CNBC. I'm watching the news and I'm watching the macro status of the economy, and also the inflation, where are we heading, traditional stocks. I'm also holding stocks, and I haven't checked my stock for a long time. I'm currently in red. My goodness. But in crypto, I'm on crypto 24/7. I'm now going mostly 80% on crypto. I'm just leaving my stocks there. Previously, I was trading stocks, purely stocks. Then I've transferred to crypto because stocks, you can only trade it at a certain time. But crypto is 24/7. This is more exciting. So I'm going all in on crypto. So that is why right now I have this it's what you can see. I have this Bitcoin necklace because I'm going all in on crypto. All right, so all in on crypto right now. I'm fully focused on crypto. So let's move on to OP. Let's check OP. What will be the possible price target and price action for OP? Where's my chart? So here, let me remove the replay. Very good long position previously, and right now OP is hovering on a very critical support, same as S&P 500. And if this is going to bounce, let me just delete this. Let me just delete. Stochastic RSI in the daily time frame is already in the oversold area. MACD is still looking very weak. Stochastic RSI also looking very weak, and this is hovering on a critical support. If you want a long OP, the risk is very low right now. The risk is very low. Let's check how many percent. This is the chart. Shit. Long position from here. 3% from the support. Actually, let me take this high risk trade right now. -1. For me, this is stop loss here, 3.28. I think that's reasonable right now. Let me take the trade very quickly. All right, and then stop loss. All right, okay. Let me just add my margin here. By the way, to those who are in Luna Classic in our VIP, we are now up by 163% if you have re-entered the trade. Let me add some margin here. And stop loss at around 0.857. 0.857. 0.857. All right. A TP just here, top of the range, 0.946. All right. So here, the risk right now, the risk for OP is very low compared to the reward. So this will serve as a resistance. Looks like it's moving on a sideways channel here. So we have several scalping. We can do several swings and scalp in between this support and resistance. So resistance here and support. So I have set a long position here. Thanks for Muhammad Saeed. Welcome to the stream. We have also Lancelot Canoy. Thanks for the live, always great analysis. Thanks for the good feedback there. So I've set a long position at this level here. I think the risk to reward is so this will be the risk to reward ratio. 7% versus 4%. So I'm on a long position right now. So possible, let's check the lower time frame. So we have this 200-day moving average acting. Well, this will act as a resistance, guys. So let me put this here. This will act as a resistance. But if OP will be able to break this and turn this into a support, then we might see a possible pump up to this level here. So possible price action. Bounce. We might get rejected from this area and bring the price back to this level here. So this could be also a good short position here. Blue lines. But if OP will be able to break this and turn this into a support. Where do I put this here? Then next target will be this one. All right. So stochastic RSI in the 1 hour time frame already in the oversold area. So this could get rejected here. I'm currently on long. I didn't check the 1 hour time frame. I FOMO'd on the daily time frame. Don't follow my trade setup, but the risk is risk to reward is very good at this point because we have here long position, 4% risk versus the possible reward of 8%. So I'm still holding my long. I've entered long position right now while we are on the stream. All right, so let me share this chart to the VIP. OP. discussed on the stream. High risk. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. As always, again, congratulations to all the VIPs in Discord and to those who are following me on Twitter. We continue to smash this market. In this bear market, this is the best time to learn how to trade, especially trading the range, guys. I've traded Bitcoin in the past 3 days. I think I've traded Bitcoin like almost 10 position. I always set the long position at around 18,500, 18,700, sell it 19,100, 19,200. That's the range for the past week, guys. So I've done several trades. If you're watching the range, similar with OP, this is right now trading in the range, guys, support and resistance. Bear market is the best time to accumulate for long term and also practice your trading ranges, because in the bear market you will not be able to trade spot. We are in a continuous downtrend, and if you're in spot, probably you are in red right now. I'm also accumulating for long term, not only for Bitcoin but also for the rest of the altcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I bought Ethereum at 1,250 last time. I will accumulate as we go lower and try to DCA. Possible bottom price around $700 to $800 for Ethereum, but if we hold at this level, I will just try to DCA along the way up to the last quarter of this year. So again, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.